There is a stationary frontal system in the Western Caribbean this evening, and we are seeing cloud showers and thunderstorms across the general area affecting sections of Western Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula. We're not expecting movement as the system is expected to remain stationary over the next few days. Expected to be raining out across the general area. Now, we're going to have a look at the central and eastern portions of the Caribbean. We can see some scattered clouds. There is moisture in the Caribbean. However, we're not seeing the significant thunderstorm development from these clouds. We do have high pressure and generally stable weather across most of the Caribbean. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies across most of the area. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, in the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy conditions covering most of the island, and for the afternoon there are some showers expected mainly across sections of the northwest. Temperatures reach 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 30 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, in our breakdown, we are expecting it to be partly cloudy for most of the afternoon in Morant Bay, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town and May Pen. Expect afternoon showers for Mandeville as well as for Santa Cruz and Black River. It's partly cloudy in Savannah, Lamar and Negril, and also partly cloudy in the morning for Port Antonio and Port Maria. Further west, expect clouds, showers and a few thunderstorms if you're in Montego Bay or in Lucy, or we are also expecting some shower activity in Brownstown with partly cloudy skies for Oteria, St. Ansby and Falmouth. The next few days has shower activity in the afternoons, mainly across inland areas and western parishes Thursday, Friday and Saturday, with partly cloudy skies expected for much of the afternoon on Sunday. For the marine forecast on the north coast tomorrow, winds easterly at 10 knots, wave heights are about a meter. On the south coast tomorrow, we are expecting easterly winds at 10 to 15 knots and wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for the offshore areas, we're expecting the winds to get to 20 knots from the east-northeast. There are no small craft warnings in effect, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And the outlook has winds at 15 to 20 knots from the east on Thursday, the east-northeast on Friday, then swinging back easterly on Saturday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:32 and it's at 5:38 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.